Should you be paying property taxes? My name is Trevor Carlson. I'm the president of Heritage Reverse Mortgage. We're reverse mortgage specialists and we help people to live better in retirement. One of the things that I always bring up with my clients is whether or not they've applied to receive a tax abatement. Now, if you've never heard that term before, let me explain what a tax abatement is. If you own a home or a property in America, you're required to pay property taxes to the county. This is one of the ways that the county is able to provide the amenities and the infrastructure that exists where you live. Now, if you qualify for a tax abatement, what happens is that county will either reduce your tax burden or they will completely waive it altogether. And so it takes about 20 minutes a year to fill out the application and apply, and doing so may save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every year. And so who qualifies for these property tax abatements? Generally, there are three categories for people who would qualify for an abatement. The first is dependent upon income. And so if you're within a lower income demographic, then absolutely apply for this abatement. I know it may only save you a couple $1,000s a year, but if you're on a fixed monthly income, you know how far a couple $1,000s will go. A second category that we almost always see in most counties is veterans, especially those who have a disability rating. If you've served our country, thank you for your service. And as an added way for saying thank you, the county offers this abatement to most veterans. The third and final category, which is not as common in every county, would have to do with disabilities. If you're listed with disabilities and unable to work, this may be another opportunity for you to likewise reduce your burden, your expense every year for owning a home. And so, as I mentioned, most counties just require a simple application so they know what your income and your financial situation is. If you'll call your county assessor and tell them you want to apply for a tax abatement, they'll know exactly what you're talking about, and they'll either get you the application or tell you where to go to get it so you can fill it out. Now, keep in mind that this is an application that normally has to be filled out on an annual basis. So if you receive it once, you have to continue to apply every year. Likewise, if you've been rejected for it in the past, I recommend you keep trying, because it's interesting to me how often clients of mine will receive the abatement from year to year. And so again, if you have any questions on this, always reach out to me. I'm always here to help. I'd love to answer those questions and point you in the right direction to help you save money and live better when you're in retirement. So again, my number is 435-359-9000. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon.